Today, a dragon takes flight, not with fire, but with paint. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this fluid art acrylic pour, I'm using red, gold, black, and white to unleash that energy of a dragon on canvas. Quick art tip. Fluid art is any style where paint flows and moves without a brush. It's all about freedom and flow. Now, acrylic pouring is just one type of fluid art where we mix acrylic paints with a pouring medium and let them spread across the canvas to create those beautiful patterns themselves. Think of it like dessert. Fluid art is the whole dessert table and acrylic pouring is the cookie tray. One delicious option inside the bigger category. So fluid art is the family, acrylic pouring is a member. Now let's get back to the dragon pour. I chose a dragon pour because dragons have always been my favorite mythical creature. They remind me that our imaginations can dream of anything, and fluid art lets the dreams spill onto the canvas. Dragons symbolize strength, transformation, and mystery, just like the unpredictable beauty of acrylic pouring. I layered the paints in wave patterns, starting with white as a base, then pouring red, black, and gold. Now I'll use the air dryer to blow the paint outward. Watch how the edges stretch into curves, almost like scales or wings forming. Do you prefer tilting the canvas or using air to move the paint? I like to make sure the sides of the canvas are fully covered. To do that, I dip a wood craft stick into the leftover paint on the edges and gently run it along the sides. This pulls the paint down, smooths it out, make the whole piece look polished and finished. It's a small detail, but it really makes the artwork pop from every angle. Look at this section. Does it remind you of fire bursting or the dragon's breath? Comment below what stands out most to you in this moment. As the paint settles, the form of a dragon begins to emerge, glowing with golden fire. Some people might even see something totally different. What do you see here? Every pour tells a story, and this one feels like a dragon taking flight. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe, and share in the comments what creature or energy you felt in this painting. Your perspective makes the art come alive.